Let's talk about the way this thing works in the car. Basically, it uses the 12-volt cigarette lighter power to control automatic recording. So let's say we get in the car and we start it. That's going to be the same thing as applying power to this thing, and you'll see what happens. So notice it comes on, and it's already recording. So that's good. All right, so then you go to where you're going, you turn the car off, unapplies power, and it says power off in 5 seconds. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, power off. So if you can hook it up to the power in your car and you don't have to ever touch these things, it will sort of run in the background by itself, which is what you want in a dash cam. You don't want to have to sit there fiddling with it. But there's no magic here. There's no fancy sensors or anything like that. There's no GPS. It's just a very budget dash cam. So you've got menu navigation with arrows and OK. So you press the menu. There's actually two menus. There's a video settings menu. Press again to go to the system settings menu and go back. So video settings, system settings, back to the main screen. Now, once you're in one of these menus, you use the up and down arrows, and each menu does have more than one page. So, and then you hit OK to go into that setting. So let's say, for example, I want to go into the sound recording menu. Go in there, hit OK. I can change my settings and hit OK, or I can hit menu to go back. So once you get the basic rules, it's pretty easy to navigate. A couple things I changed in the system menu. One is the frequency. We noticed a lot of flicker on certain headlights and taillights. If either their LED bulbs or whatever were flickering at a rate that was faster than this thing could keep up with. So I went into this menu. It defaults to 50 hertz. Change that to 60 hertz. Another thing I changed was the loop recording. So as it comes from the factory, it's going to loop recording, which I guess means every time it generates a new file, it's 1 minute, which is fine, and it generates a bunch of small files, but